This tutorial will go over A to B route mode, which helps reduce the work of the drone pilot. The autonomous operation allows for uniform spraying. It is most suitable for square, rectangular, trapezoidal, triangular, or other regular fields. Turn on the remote controller and then the drone. Tap Execute Task in the main interface of the remote control app. Fill in the pesticide tank. Press and hold the spray button for 2 seconds to discharge the air in the pipes. Have the drone take off. Tap M in the upper left corner of the app interface. Tap A to B route mode. Control the drone to fly to the field boundary point, and tap Set A point to record point A. If the field is a trapezoid or other irregular shape, you can tap Adjust a heading to control the heading when the drone is hovering. When the auxiliary line of the nose and the FPV camera screen coincides with the field boundary edge, tap OK to record the flight edge information. Then, move the drone to the other end of the operation area and tap Set B point to record point B. If you'd like to adjust point B, you can reset it. If you tap Set A point, points A and B will be reset. Tap Start. Set the parameters such as spraying amount and flight speed. Tap Start Task. In A to B route mode, you must note that the drone will not spray when the first route is set, so you will need to start spraying manually. When setting the first flight route, we recommend you fill the tank halfway. Otherwise, battery use will increase when setting points A and B while flying with a full tank.